In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remesh modifier in Blender. If you've ever needed cleaner, more even geometry for sculpting, stylized modeling, or that blocky Minecraft look, the Remesh modifier is a fast, reliable way to rebuild your mesh. Start by adding a simple object so we can clearly see the effect. Press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and choose UV Sphere. A sphere is perfect because its curvature makes changes from remeshing very obvious, but any object will work. If you want to visualize the rebuild more clearly, you can deform the sphere a bit first. Press Tab to enter edit mode and make a few quick tweaks. Push or pull some vertices so the surface isn't perfectly round. This step is optional, but it helps demonstrate how remeshing reconstructs the shape. Next, head to the modifier properties, click Add Modifier and choose Remesh. This modifier recreates your object's topology using uniform elements, which helps eliminate stretched polygons and uneven density. Now pick the remesh mode that suits your goal. Voxel is great for creating clean, evenly distributed geometry and is ideal for sculpting. Blocks generates a chunky, grid-like mesh that looks like voxels, perfect for a stylized, blocky effect. Smooth produces a soft, even surface, helpful for smoothing out rough forms. Sharp aims to preserve crisp edges while still rebuilding the topology, which is useful for hard surface shapes. Once you've chosen a mode, dial in the resolution. In voxel mode, adjust voxel size. Smaller values mean more detail but heavier geometry. In the other modes, adjust octree depth. Higher values increase detail. Make changes gradually and preview the result to balance quality with performance. If the remesh creates tiny floating fragments, enable remove disconnected pieces. This option cleans up stray bits so you're left with a single coherent object. For a cleaner visual result, apply smooth shading. Go to the object menu and choose Shade Smooth. This doesn't change the geometry, it simply smooths the way light appears across the surface. When you're happy with the look, you can apply the modifier to finalize the new topology. Click Apply to commit the changes. Keep in mind that applying is destructive, so consider duplicating your object first if you want a backup. And that's it. You now have a uniformly remeshed object ready for sculpting, stylized modeling, or blocky designs, all generated quickly with the Remesh modifier.